This is what I did to fix the volume not working, the volume up and down, and the mute button wasn't working on my Vizio TV, which I have connected to the Xumo. I tried using the out-of-the-box wizard it comes with, but that didn't work, so I went behind the TV here and I got the model number and just jotted it down. The model number was VW37L for my specific TV. And then inside Xumo Streaming Box, while I was on the Spectrum app, I hit the gear button on the upper part of my remote. And if your remote doesn't have a gear button, you can also hit the home button and go to the very bottom and look for settings. Either way, it opens the settings page where it says picture and sound, and I just went all the way over to the right on that first row to connected devices. And under connected devices, it's going to say remote on the top choice. You just click to the right on the control wheel and it'll say control your TV. And then from there you hit the center select button because that's what you want to do. It says, do you want to use this remote to control your TV? So this is where it's asking, do you want it to control your volume and power it on and off? I say yes here, and it says connect to your TV. Did it work? I've tried this many times. No. I go to no, so I go to click the right button and then hit the center select. And it says connect to your TV. It gives you a list of common brands. Go all the way to the bottom there where it says search for your TV, and then start using the wheel on the Xumo remote, left, right, up, down, to go over the letters, and then the center select to type in. So I'm going to type in VI for Vizio, and that's enough for it to come up. So then I just go to the right and hover over Vizio and hit center select. And the next screen says, do you want to connect this to your TV? We can try to find it for you. This didn't work for me at all, so I'm not going to say find it for me. I'm going to just stay hovered over the yes that I have the model number and hit the center select. And then when you do that, you'll get another dialog that says connect to your TV. Please enter the model number of your Vizio TV, because that's the model I put in, or that's the brand I put in. So I go down to V and then W and then 37, and the choice already appeared on the right, so I'm just going to go all the way to the right, VW37L, and hit the center select button. I'm going to say, okay, that's my TV. Can you control volume up? So here it's just asking you, can you do volume up and down? And sure enough, it works. I get the volume up, I got the volume down, the mute button works, the power button will work too. I don't want to turn it off in the middle of my demo. And then the next screen says your remote and TV are connected. Do you want to connect any remote speakers? I don't have any remote speakers, so I'm just going to click to the right, no, and then hit the center select. It says you're now connected. Hit the continue button. Go back into my Spectrum content, and there it is. Volume up and down, mute, the whole deal.
Imagine you went into Williams Sonoma and they had just like the baking vessel there. Yeah. How much that would be?
Or just the candle. Right. Candles in those stores, like high-end.
So I hope this was helpful. If it was, feel free to leave a like. Thanks again for watching.